Hey guys, welcome to another lesson on the introduction to physics. Now, in this lesson, we're going to be explaining how physics is related to other sciences. So, the question is, how is physics related to other sciences? Normally, physics doesn't work alone. Physics is like a big helper for other sciences like biology, chemistry, and also astronomy and the likes. Let me give you an example. I'm going to be focusing on those three aspects: the relationship of physics with biology, the relationship of physics with chemistry, and the relationship of physics with astronomy. Now, for the first case, which is with biology, how is physics related to biology, which is what you call the life science? Biology basically studies living things, that is, things that are alive. But physics explains how their bodies work. For instance, let's say you breathe. Breathing is in and out, for instance, is related to biology. Breathing, because it deals with life. Physics explains how the air that you breathe from outside enters and moves into your body straight through into your lungs. And that's how physics is related to biology. What of with chemistry? Number 2. Chemistry basically studies what things are made of. Like we all know, things are made up of atoms and molecules. And then that's the concept of chemistry, matter and materials. Physics explains how these things that are made up, that substances are made up of, these things that are made up of. Chemistry and physics explains how these things behave. If chemistry studies what things are made up of, those things specifically, how they behave, is physics that explains that. So physics, for instance, explains maybe how water that is being boiled or kept on fire, how the water turns into steam, as you can see on top here, where you get to see steam coming out of the water. Physics explains that. Physics explains the behavior of those things that make up the substances around you. Now, the third case is with astronomy. Astronomy aspect is called space science. Astronomy studies things like stars, planets, and the likes, basically heavenly or celestial bodies. So physics now explains how these celestial bodies, the stars, the planets, and the likes, how they move and also how they shine. For instance, physics explains the reason why the moon orbits or revolves around the earth, or why the earth, for instance, revolves around the sun. Now, so if you were to explain it in the simplest way, in a baby definition, to add everything all together, we could say that physics is like the big boss that helps other sciences to explain the world in a very or much better way. So that's how it is related to other aspects of sciences. In the next video, we're going to be explaining what physicists do. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.